Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Eva Rianti. I'm from Mathematics Education. I will explain find lesson plan. Absolute value. In this lesson, students explore absolute value with and without a number line. Compare the absolute value of two numbers and apply their understanding of absolute value to real-world context. Learning objective. Student will be able to find and order absolute value of relations number. Student will also be able to apply absolute value in real-world context. Materials and preparation. Whiteboard and or projector, document camera, whiteboard markers, 1-2 piece of paper per student for introduction and assessment. Class set of the Understanding Absolute Value worksheet. Class set of the Absolute Value work problem worksheet. Offsites and Absolute Value worksheet from enrichment selection. Introduction 5 minutes. Prior to teaching this lesson, make sure you have introduction, integrals, opposite, and rational number to your student. Write a number line on the board with a few missing number. Make sure to include 0 at the center of the number line. Include at least one missing positive number and at least one missing negative number. Ask students to identify the missing number on the number line and write choose number on a sheet of paper. Explicit inclusion teaching modeling 10 minutes. Show students that opposites are the same distance from zero. Just going in different direction. Show this using the opposite that your class labeled. On the number line in the introduction, tell students that because all sides are the same distance from zero, they have the same absolute value. Define the absolute value of a number as its distance from zero. Also, introduction absolute value national with this definition. Have students find the absolute value of the two opposites from the introduction 3 and minus 3. Show students that you can find the absolute value of a number by counting how far that number is from 0 on a number line. Plot another point on the original number line, -5, ask student to find the absolute value of that number. Have student answer the question with a partner and ask one partner pair to explain their answer to the class. Write another number line on the board that use of difference scale going up or down by 20. Plot a point on that number line 60. Ask number to find the absolute value of that number. Have student answer the question with a partner and then ask one partner pair to explain their answer to the class. Ask student if they notice a partner about absolute value. Student should notice that absolute value is always positive. Then ask students how they would find minus 45 to 5 and 1 or 2 without a number line. Have student answer this question with a partner and ask a couple partner pair to share and explain their answer. Guided practice 10 minutes. Hand out the Understanding Absolute Value worksheet to your student. Have student work with then partner to complete this worksheet. Monitor student progress as they work on the different sections. Prompt student to explain their thinking to you for the problem in the last selection, comparing the absolute value of two numbers. Independent working time 20 minutes. Hand out the absolute value word problem worksheet to your student. Have students work independently on this word problem. After 50 minutes, ask students which problem were most challenged. Go over answer for those problem with the class. Differentiation support. If students are struggling to solve the absolute value word problem independently, have them complete the problem with a partner. Cut the absolute value word problem out and use them as task cards with smaller groups so that students are only looking at one problem at a time. Have students walk around and support other students who are still working on the absolute value work problem. Encourage these students to explain their thinking and rationale when providing support. Give students the oversight and absolute value worksheet to work on. Ask students to explain key difference between upside and absolute value at the bottom of the worksheet. Assessment 10 minutes. Ask students to find the absolute value of the following number on a sheet of paper: 8 minus 2, 0, 5. Write the temperature 5, 1, and minus 2 on the board. Ask student which is the coldest temperature and which in the close to 0. Student should write their answer to this problem on the same sheet of paper. Collect this assessment to gauge student understanding from this lesson.